How's it going, folks? Welcome back to the Chilli Northerner. I just want to give you a very short update on what's going on here. I didn't want to create it as a short because I thought it would be a little bit bigger than, or a little bit longer than maybe just a couple of minutes. But yeah, just wanted to give you a quick update on the week or so since they were already all potted up. And as you can see probably behind me there, they're doing pretty well, to be fair. I'm quite chuffed, apart from one little critter that you may have heard me talk about. Let's have a look. Yes, so as you can see there, everything is looking absolutely fantastic. I am well chuffed with the way these have grown up over the past week and a half or thereabouts. I can't remember exactly when I actually potted them, to be fair, whether it was a week and a half ago, 2 weeks ago. I think it might have been 2 weeks ago, I'm not too sure. Maybe a week and a half, I can't remember. Time just seems to have a dulling effect on me these days. It just seems to pass me by. But yeah, everything is looking fantastic. I'm really chuffed with it. I mean, these this one here in particular is a I believe that's a cairn. Yeah, it's a cairn. Looking very nice indeed. Even starting to get some side shoots on as well, which is absolutely lovely. I'll check the bottom of it. Even roots just starting to come through, as you can just see there at the bottom. So they are flying along. Black tie there behind, looking great. You obviously, like the vampire and the Count Dracula, it gets like the dark colouring on the leaves. Not as much as them two, but sorry, I didn't actually centre it there. So yeah, not as much as the Count Dracula or the vampire. And the one behind it is another cairn, and the one behind that is a serrano, which is not looking as good, but still plenty time. Let's have a look at the ones up here. So you've got two fatales here, which are, I know I keep on saying, I can't repeat myself, but they're looking good. They're looking nice and healthy. I'm really chuffed. As you can see by this one there, this one was the Dorset Naga big mustard mama cross, as with the next one next door as well. They're Warrens. Well, they're now mine, but they were Warrens from Oil Spill Chilli Co. But yeah, they are looking really healthy. And apart from getting munched on the leaf by, you might have seen my short with my little visiting slug that I found there in my pot, so that I eventually found him. But he did obviously munch through this Dorset Naga leaf quite a lot. But thankfully that little sod has gone, I hope anyway. I haven't seen any more evidence. I know you can see more leaves being chomped here, but since I've chucked it, I haven't seen anything else, to be honest. It's like the old hungry caterpillar story when you used to you know that one as a kid. I'm sure you all know it. This is a Thai Pinot. Again, I got this one from, that's one of Warren's crosses. Lovely looking plant. Again, nodal growth on the side. This side shoots are starting to come on nicely. The one behind it is looking really good. Let me just get this out. Looking nice and lush. Melissa's Blot, which is the sweet pepper. But yeah, looking good. I like the stripiness on the stems. That's looking really nice. Very attractive plant. Looking nice and healthy. No side shoots really yet, but that's neither here nor there. That'll come. Just plonk that back in. What else can I show you? Something I didn't show you last time. This is a poblano, which is, again, is like a large bell pepper type plant, but it does have heat. Not a great deal of heat, I think. About the same kind of a heat of a jalapeno, about 5,000 or thereabouts. One behind it is a I can't even read it. I can't even read my own writing. Scotch bonnet. All looking very healthy. And then the serrano, And then you've got a spaghetti chilli. Seems to be living up to its actual name because it's quite long. Another black tie there. Loads of nodal growth on that one. That's looking fantastic. Candy cane, chocolate candy cane, which has the variegation in the leaves. And you see that one got munched as well when Mr. Slug was around. But yeah, it's nicely recovered, looking good. The ghost pepper is the one which is actually just seemed to be lagging behind, and that did get munched as well. But you know, plenty of time though, plenty of time. Well chuffed with this. The Kang Star Lemon Starburst, which I thought was like a goner to be fair, has really come on nicely. It's really established itself there now, so that will grow lovely. And of course, my favourites for this year are the Count Dracula, which you've got two just there, and the two vampires behind. Yeah, we love a bit of horror stuff, don't we? Well, I definitely do anyway. Yeah, so they are looking fantastic. And you might have actually seen my post about this particular Count Dracula plant. If I can just get it out. Oh, typically it's all gone a bit. Just get that out in a minute. Everything got on the way. So this is the Count Dracula. It is absolutely looking lovely, to be fair. I am really chuffed with these plants. It's a gorgeous looking plant. Still a bit thin in the stem, but you know, plenty of time for that to thicken out. And as soon as they get well and truly established in these 1 litre pots, they'll all be good, really good. Just want to show you the vampire as well, which is coming quite nicely. They've got nodal growth on that one. It's the little side shoots coming out, which is brilliant to see. Not so quite on the dark leaves. Quite similar, well, maybe not, kind of like halfway between the black tie and the Count Dracula. But no, I'm chuffed, really am. I've seen people grow the darker leaved chilies over the last couple of years. Seem to become quite popular over the last 2-3 years. But never got my hands on any of them myself, so well chuffed to actually have some. And of course, why wouldn't you want a plant called a vampire? I mean, it's a no-brainer for me. Lovely. Let's just call that one. Let's just call this corner a 4 Goths corner. 2 Count Draculas, 2 vampires. Right folks, well that's it. I hope you didn't mind that. It's going to be a very, very short video, 5 minutes long or so. Just wanted to show you what's been going on in the last week and a half since I potted up. Yeah, all good. I am actually doing growing the Dorset Naga as well, because I wanted to actually see if I could grow the plant quite large. I have grown the Dorset Naga before. I've got 2 Dorset Naga plants there, one of which I'll keep for actually just putting in a smaller pot, and I'll discuss my pot sizes and why I'm actually going slightly smaller this year in another video. Previous years I was doing like 7.5, 10 litre pots, but not this year. I've got a load of 5 litre pots, which I'm actually going to grow most of my plants in this year, and that's purely because of what happened last year. I think I probably have overstretched myself, but I'll talk about that a bit later. The Dorset Naga plants that I'm growing, so a couple of the chilli growers seem to have a competition to see who can grow the largest Dorset Naga and probably the most fruit on a Dorset Naga. The Chilli Chump's done it before as well. I'm not too sure if he's doing it this year. And there's another chilli grower on Instagram that I follow, and I'm sorry, I apologise, I can't remember his name, but I'll put it on the screen there now, just where my finger is, pretty much. Yeah, so he's doing the largest and most fruitful Dorset Naga plant on the internet. So I hope he does well. I really do, and I don't think I will, but I am going to grow one of the plants. I've got 2 Dorset Nagas there. One I'll keep for growing massive. I'll put it in a really big pot, and the other one I'll just keep as like as a normal sized one. Anyway, that's for another video. I shall see you folks soon. Hope you have a nice weekend. Hope you have a nice week. Hope everyone's treating you well. See you soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Cheers.